just overall within the marketplace, we are seeing more similarities from the single family home side, which I feel is going 125 miles an hour right now. And the multifamily market is probably going at least 100 miles an hour. Hey everyone, it's Dan Blackwell. I wanted to give everybody an update on the multifamily market. We're wrapping up April and moving into May, and overall the market is white hot. And here's an update on what we're working on. All right, so last week we listed 5 properties as a team, all located here in Orange County, mostly along the coast. And we put all 5 of those properties under contract. Several went over the asking price. We received a total of 25 offers on these 5 assets. So overall, the market is white hot and definitely a seller's market. Other exciting news, we just listed our first REO bank-owned property here in Orange County. This is an entitled land site called the Madison. This is 2.79 acres located off Cabrillo Park in Santa Ana. It's a great opportunity. We're going to be launching that to the market the first week of May. If you would like information on that, feel free to send us a message and we'll get you the details. An update on financing, rates are holding. So we're able to make these lower cap rate deals pencil. Buyers are motivated to lock in interest rate financing while it's low in the low 3s. And that's really helping them stay competitive. There's so much capital on the sidelines wanting to get into the multifamily space. Interest rates are really just helping things flow. And then an update on inflation. There's more and more talks about inflation and investors wanting to get into hard assets like single family homes that we're seeing. The market's going 125 miles an hour right now. And relatively speaking, the multifamily market's going 100, 110 miles an hour right now, to kind of give you a frame of reference. And it feels that just as competitive it is on the single family side, where people are making offers over list or all cash, short due diligence periods, we're seeing the same thing on the multifamily side of things. And people want to own multifamily real estate as a good hedge against inflation. And I think another thing that we're going to look at is the max allowable rent increase that you can issue in California is 5% plus CPI. So a lot of people are paying attention to CPI, watching that grow. There's probably going to be more rental increases, higher rental increases, I would imagine, going out this year and next year. All right, some data points that we wanted to share. Our team's closing a deal a week in 2021, and that trend looks like it's going to continue throughout the course of the year. So that's exciting, but that's given us really good data as to what's going on in the marketplace, what buyers are up to, what sellers are up to, and we can take that information and share that to be more valuable to investors who are looking to make decisions moving forward. Our list to close timeframes on the 16 deals that we've closed, it's been 55 days on average, and that includes the deals that took long, where maybe a seller had an option or two to extend out the close of escrow and purposely wanted a longer deal, and that also considers properties that were just quick close, all cash deals as well. So 55 days from list to close. All right, that's pretty much this week in multifamily real estate and what our team is up to. And yes, the market is moving at a rapid pace, but what we've also seen is off-market activity, transactions that are going down without being listed. That activity has increased, and we also have been involved in a number of off-market transactions. So there's still some great opportunities out there, listed deals and off-market deals within the marketplace. So if you're looking to go over your options, grow your portfolio here, or go out of state, we're happy to have a conversation with you one-on-one and share a little bit more in detail on what we're seeing. So thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.